What's up, guys? So, my little spoiler just came in.
Where's the introduction?
What is up, guys? My name is Haj Sheikh, and this is my spoiler for my 2024 Ford Mustang GT. We ordered this off of drum roll, please.
eBay.
eBay.
AliExpress.
Wish.com.
Wish.com.
Let's see how. Rigel, hand up with care.
Dragon. What is it?
But yeah, so this is.
Oh, so yeah, it's the one that
Yeah.
Has a wicker bill built in.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
I might. Whoa.
Never mind. It's like all like
It's glued on. Yeah. Time to watch some YouTube videos.
these two are part of
BMW.
This is one.
BMW.
Like the automatic.
You know, so the transmission and
Oh, I heard. Oh, shit.
This hole right here is for the dark horse wing.
I'm gonna spend my day over here.
Interesting. I might get a dark horse wing on this later. That was the goal. That was the plan.
With a 360-degree swivel head that goes places a regular mop just can't.
On your 2024 and up S650.
That way, if I want to change the spoiler, I can do
To
that.
apply the paint to the
Brainstorming.
I was going to tell you this.
यार बाहर आ जा.
inside of the
Blue
spoiler won't
rivet
fully
one.
see yet due to the outside studs being in.
Once again, hard at work.
The plastic tool. You gotta stick it in right here.
I think it's
You
good on this
just have to
side
drill
too.
through the plastic. That's it.
There's one hole on this side too? Oh, okay, so one.
So yeah, so we'll have to drill, basically line this one hole up with this hole, and then measure these two apart, and then drill these through.
Really good.
Honestly, this color is not growing on me. You need to get that pink
Yeah.
on here.
Here at Exotic Customs, you can get your car wrapped that pink. Drop on by in Cumming, Georgia. I don't know what else to say. Wrapped by Arc Vinyl.
The Arc Vinyl right here. The one and only Arc Vinyl.
What's up, guys? Oh, it is Exotic Customs.
$3,000 gone. I'll clean these holes up.
I'm gonna put one in
Precision.
Okay.
Whoa.
रमज़ान के बरकत महीने में असर कहते ना करो अस्तगफिरुल्लाह तुम्हें भी गुनाह मुझे भी गुनाह मैं पता नहीं तस्वीर
Yap, 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 yap,
तस्वीरें
yap,
लेना
yap, yap,
गुनाह
yap,
होता है
yap,
और
yap,
वीडियो
yap,
बनाना तो वैसे
yap,
गुनाह
yap, 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 yap.
जी अंकल
Okay. Let's then just line it up on that side.
बदतमीजी ना करे
गलत मोहरी डाल दी
उन्होंने बनाई वीडियो जैसी है उसी तरह देखा था
Nah, I don't know anything about Cedar, but the thing is, you can get some good deals from eBay. eBay gets you good
Yap,
stuff.
yap, 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 yap. So they skipped the video and now they fucked up.
You made the whole outside? Yeah. On this side?
Should've watched the video.
We did watch the video.
That shit was in your face.
अबे नहीं है कुछ भी हुआ तो बता रहा ना नहीं कुछ हुआ वो नहीं वो अभी वो साफ करने वाला है स्पॉइलर उसको साफ करके फिर बनाना सब्र करो
Top tier service.
खैर ना मारना
So, we got the spoiler on finally. Looks pretty good, in my opinion. All thanks to Mr. Akib. Mr. Q. Mr. Q. Hit up Exotic Customs.
Exotic customs.
But yeah, honestly, install wasn't too bad. The only thing is, the wings, little screws on the bottom of this were misaligned, so we had to drill 2 separate holes in the underneath the trunk. So, other than that, I mean, came up pretty good if you want to take a look at it from this side.